When it comes to international money transfers, the best way to transfer using OFX online lies in combining its cost efficiency with some hidden features many people don't explore. OFX is known for low fees, competitive exchange rates, and round-the-clock support. But maximizing your transfer requires a few strategic steps. First, always start by setting up your transfer on the desktop platform rather than the mobile app. The OFX desktop dashboard provides a wider set of tools, including live exchange rate trackers and transfer history insights, which can help you choose the right moment to lock in a favorable rate. Second, use the forward contract feature. This lets you fix today's rate for a transfer you'll make in the future. For businesses and frequent travelers, this is the safest way to avoid sudden fluctuations in currency values. Now here are the top 5 important things to know when using OFX online for transfers. So here's something pretty cool. Transfers initiated during overlap hours between your country and the recipient's region actually process faster. For example, if you're sending funds from India to Australia during the early morning in IST, you can, really reduce those annoying delays. Now, if you're paying multiple suppliers, there's a neat trick called the batch transfer hack. You can just combine all those payments into one bulk transfer. This approach, honestly, lowers transaction fees quite a bit compared to sending each transfer separately. And finally, if you're transferring more than $10,000, you can request promo codes like VIP 2025 or FKSave 50 by simply contacting support. These codes apply margin discounts on the exchange rate, making your transfer even more cost-effective. So, first-time users often qualify for codes like FreeOx or Send0 that, waive the flat transfer fee. It's always a good idea to ask support before confirming your transfer, just to be sure. If you find a rate you like but need some time to finalize the transfer, OFX lets you hold that rate for up to 24 hours by using the Hold24 code during booking. Some discount codes you might want to try are FreeOX, Send0, VIP 2025, FKSave 50, and Hold24. By applying these practices, you not only save on fees but also secure better rates while, reducing processing time.